A closer look. Baba Guru Nanak I. Baba Guru Nanak, 1469 to 1539, founder of Sikh faith, was born in Talwandi, Nankana Sahib, in Pakistan. He travelled widely and eventually set up a centre at Kartarpur, Dera Baba Nanak by River Ravi. Guru Nanak and his followers regularly worshipped by singing hymns composed by him. Regardless of their former creed, caste, or gender, Guru Nanak's followers ate meals together in the common kitchen, langar. The space used to assemble and sing praises of God were called dharamshals by Baba Guru Nanak. These places later on came to be known as Gurudwaras. A few days before his death, in 1539, Guru Nanak chose one of his followers, Lehna, as his successor. Lehna was later known as Guru Angad. Guru Angad put together the compositions of Baba Guru Nanak and also added his own in a new script called Gurmukhi. The three successors of Guru Angad composed under the name of Nanak. Guru Arjan compiled these compositions in 1604. The compositions of other preachers like Sheikh Farid, Sant Kabir, Bhagat Namdev and Guru Tegh Bahadur were also added.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.